Model, 62-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCi 100PS 300 short wheelbase, low roof front wheel drive. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 116,902. MOT, the 12th of February 2025. Engine, 2198cc 2.2 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire due to low compression. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.